Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. My name is Kanella Ciraco and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so before I get started, super quick, a few things. I know I messed up in the last video when I said it was Thanksgiving and Black Friday. Well, I apologize. I was wrong. I totally jumped the gun on that. And you know what? We've been getting flyers and advertisements, Black Friday, Black Friday, Black Friday sales. And I honestly thought it was just this weekend that had just passed, the Thursday and the Friday. And obviously it's just, I was wrong. So anywho, it is this upcoming Thursday, which is Thanksgiving, and then Friday is Black Friday. So that is when, so November 26th, I believe, is Friday. That is when the Loli Veffy kits will go on sale. So stay tuned for that. The other thing, I had a few people mentioning that my Arteza discount code had expired. It is now back to being active. They expire every so often and I have to contact them to get them to reactivate it. So the Arteza discount is back up and I got some really cool new things today. Actually, I got these really cool pencil crayons, which my kids are going to love. There's 3 rows under that. So really cool pencil crayons. Now, I'm in Canada and I can only buy this stuff off Amazon. And unfortunately, I myself cannot even get the discount on Amazon. The 10% discount is if you are in the US or the UK. So you can get a discount from there. Everyone else, like in Canada, you have to buy it on Amazon just like I do. Calendars, I have 2 left. 2022 calendars, I've got 2 left. So I'm going to zip right through it. All right. So there's 2 left. And after that, I'm not getting any more for 2022. So if you are interested in one of these calendars, they are $50 Canadian. And keep in mind, when the year is up, you can take the page and then frame it, and then you have an 8 by 11 inch picture, right? And there's 12 of them. So 2 left, and that's it after that. All right. I wanted to show you guys the dried results from my previous video. So look at how the pink just glows. I love the Arteza Pearl paints. I should be getting some new ones in the mail soon by Amazon. I ordered the golds and the greens. There's 2 more sets that I have to acquire. But look at that. Look at it. It's gorgeous. So this is going to get a top coat of crystal resin. It is available for purchase. It's a 10 by 20 inch. And if anyone is interested, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. All right, I'm going to put this down. Okay, so today I'm going to do another gray pour because I asked you guys in the last video, what color did you want to see with the gray? I've done the purples, I've done the blues, I've done the pinks. So I went through all the comments, and there were even comments on Facebook, and there were a lot of people who had requested greens and yellows. So there were more green requests than yellow. So I am going to do a green today, and perhaps in the next video, we'll see, I may do yellows, but for today, I'm going to be doing greens. All right, so I'm going to be using my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, and I've made a gray out of it. That is with the Flow Acrylic White and the Flow Acrylic Black, and I've made a gray. Now, I use about, I don't know, 85 to 90% white and only like 10% black. You don't need a lot of black. If you add too much black, it's going to be really dark and you've messed it up. And the white that I'm using is from 2019. Anything 2020 or the soft body, it's not the good type, the good stuff. So this is old. This has probably been sitting in here for about a year and a half now, maybe, and it's still perfectly fine because it's airtight and sealed. And it's the same in here. I just put it in a squeeze bottle so I can do my edges. All right, so the colors I'm using tonight are going to be a variety of greens. So I'm going to start with Pearl Cactus Green by Arteza. And then I'm going to throw in Iridescent Green Yellow by Pebeo. Then I'm going to throw in this dark green, which is Olive Green Deep by Amsterdam. And then these are 3 new colors that I made, which are from Arteza. And they are, I ran out of my label maker, of course, ran out of labels, so I had to order some off Amazon. This one is called Pistachio Green by Arteza. This one is Lime Green by Arteza. And this last one is actually an Olive Green by Arteza. So Arteza, 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 Arteza. So that is going to shimmer and just glow like crazy. And then we have an iridescent, and then we have a plain regular color here. All right, so that should be interesting. And I'm just thinking, did I mess up my order? I don't think so. I think I went this way. Oh gosh, I don't even know. It was the other way around. It was the other way around. There we go. There we go. And do you notice how I don't put the 2 light colors together? I like to try and separate them by a darker color or a different color. All right. So, and actually that's the way I wanted it. All right. So those are my colors. I am going to get some paper towel. Too much paper towel. All right. I'm going to flood my canvas and I will be right back. All right, everybody. So the canvas has been flooded. The bubbles have been popped. We're going to get started now. I'm thinking about a composition now because this is more of a longer rectangular piece. I was thinking of doing just like a half moon here and a half, or just like that, instead of doing, I think with the pink, I did an L shape. Oh, actually I did like a half crescent moon. That's what I had done. Something like that, I think. I can't remember anything these days, honestly. I was so like, it's either I'm here in the studio doing videos or I'm upstairs packing my house. So it's a little, really crazy actually right now. Really, really crazy. Which way do I want to go? Do I want to go this way or this way? I think I'm going to go that way. I don't know. Whatever. It is what it is. Whatever it is, it is. I did it. All right. So, and then whenever I have any spare time, I like to actually sit and watch some TV with my husband. We are big TV junkies. Huge TV junkies, especially when the fall lineup starts and all the shows start back up for the fall season. I will say this, one show we are watching right now that we love is Yellowstone with Kevin Costner. It is our favorite show right now. I love that show. If you don't know what show I'm talking about and you haven't heard of Yellowstone, I would Google it. It's on Prime TV, so luckily we have Amazon or just Prime, and you can watch it, stream it on Prime. At least that's where we watch it. Oh, Kevin Costner. Anyways, all right, so almost done here. Lucas and I packed up his train table the other night and we did a video of it in time lapse. So I'm sure you will see that video soon. It's crazy to see how empty his table is now. There's nothing on it. We packed everything away. So you will not be seeing any new videos after this from Lucas for about 2.5 months maybe. So as I mentioned in a previous video, I would love it And he would greatly appreciate it if you could just play his videos and watch his reruns and just watch his old videos while he's away. Taking a break because we had to pack up the train table. All right, so I'm looking at this now and I'm super close to the edge here, which is a really dumb thing. This one's not so bad, but that one I really messed up and it's really close to the edge. So I am going to start up here and see if I can somehow fix that. And I don't know, figure it out. Maybe I'll blow this way just to keep some of it coming this way because I kind of don't want to have too much negative space here. So let's start over here and see what happens. Well, isn't that pretty? I will say this though, I was blowing and there's a piece of gunk right in there and I saw that and I was like, don't lose sight of it. Yeah, it's a glob of green. Because if you lose sight of it and then it dries, it's going to show in your painting when it dries. Now, aside from that, look how pretty this is. And I love the composition. That worked out so well. I really like it. And I'm I mean, I'm not a pink fan. I've become a pink fan now. I'm not a green fan. I love my purples and blues and turquoise. But the green really is pretty. And I know when it dries, these Arteza paints are just going to glow. It's really nice. You know what I like the most? The composition. And do you notice that I held the hairdryer the right way? And I didn't have it on a 45-degree angle. And you notice that there's not much gray coming in to my petals on this one. So it's really working out better. So I'm really happy with that. Okay, I'm actually not gonna touch any of this aside from fixing my edges because it's pretty dry here. And I need to add more gray paint. But aside from that, I love the rest of this and that's it. So I'm going to fix up my edges and I'm going to be right back and I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, everybody. So before I get started, don't forget to take a stick or a popsicle stick or whatever and scrape those drips. Okay, I've already done the other 3 sides. So do that, come back 10 minutes later, do it again, and then a 3rd time after that, and should be okay after that. Okay. All right, let's see here. Look at that. I'm really liking the neon type-ish green. That would be the lime green from Arteza. That looks really pretty. So hopefully this dries pretty quick and I'll be able to show it to you guys in the next video like I did with the pink one today. I've been keeping my studio pretty warm with my oil heater over here, just so that my paintings can dry a little quicker. Because it's usually about 62 to 65 in the studio, and the paintings just take longer to dry, but with the heater on and it's being 70, it dries faster. All right, so there it is with the lights on. Let's turn on the flash. All right, so the flash is on. Now we all know, yeah, there's going to be a lot of shimmer in here because all the paints were a metallic, a pearl, and iridescent, except for that one dark olive green, which wasn't. So there's definitely going to be some glowing factor in here. And when this dries and it gets a top coat of crystal resin, it is going to be pretty gorgeous. Look at that. Definite shimmer here. Really, look at that. Very, very nice. Love it. So there you have it, everybody. I would love to know what you guys think about this one in the comments below. If anyone is interested in this green beauty, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com and you can purchase it. So let me know, do you guys want to see yellow and gray next? I could try that. And I think I'd be out of colors after that, but we'll see. I only have a few more videos left before my stockpile videos kick in, and it'll be all about that base. So each video will be based on having a different base color. So that's going to be exciting because I've done some really neat pieces. All right, so that is it for now. If you are a new watcher and you like what you see, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, hit that red subscription button. I would greatly appreciate it. And that is it. Everything else you need to know is listed in the description below the video. There's a lot of discounts, you know, links to my Amazon shop and all of that. And don't forget, if you want a calendar, please let me know. There's only 2 left. So until next time, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, bye.